Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Salamat po sa inyong matyagang pagtuturo sa amin. Take care always po. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Maraming salamat po sa pagtuturo niyo sa amin. At mag-ingat po kayo palagi. God bless you po. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Maraming salamat po sa matyagang pagtuturo sa amin. Sana po huwag kayo magsawa. We love you.
To our beloved teacher, Ma'am Alex. Thank you for teaching us good things every day. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle of my life. I am grateful to be your student, wishing you lots of happiness. You are an amazing teacher. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alex. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alex. Thank you for teaching. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Maraming salamat sa paggabay at pagtuturo sa amin. Maraming salamat po.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. God bless you po at ingat po kayo. We love you.
Hi, Ma'am! Happy Teacher's Day po! Thank you for being such an amazing teacher. I appreciate everything you've done. And thank you for believing in us and pushing us to do better.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for teaching us, shaping our minds, and encouraging us to dream. We all love you, and I pray that the Lord God will bless you even more. Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for taking care of us, and thank you for being such a great teacher. We love you! Thank you, Ma'am Alexis, for your patience, guidance, and dedications. You don't just teach lessons, you inspire, encourage, and shape futures. Happy Teacher's Day po! We love you! Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you po sa pagtuturo. God bless you po. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for being patient with us. I am so lucky to have a teacher like you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for teaching us. Always take care. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for teaching and guiding us. Thank you for your patience, kindness, and dedication. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for teaching and guiding us. God bless po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Salamat po sa matyagang pagtuturo sa amin. God bless po. Love na love po namin kayo. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi.
Hi, Ma'am Alexis. Happy Teacher's Day po. Thank you for not just teaching subjects, but teaching life lessons. Your patience and kindness have always guided me. Thank you for being an amazing teacher. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for being an inspiration and for making learning a wonderful journey. We appreciate you today and always. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Salamat sa pagpapaturo sa amin. Sobrang bait mo sa amin at isa pang happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for guiding us with patience and love.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Salamat po sa pagtuturo at pag-aalaga sa amin. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alex. Thank you for believing in us and guiding us always. We love you!
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for being an amazing teacher. May God grace be with you always. We love you.
Hello po, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you po for teaching us the best things every day. We are grateful to have you as our teacher. Thank you po for the love, support, and care for us. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. We love you po.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagtuturo at paggabay sa amin. Sa bawat aral at inspirasyon, kayo po ang aming ilaw. Mahal po namin kayo.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for teaching us, guiding us, and being kind to us. God bless you, Ma'am Alexis. We love you.
Thank you for making learning fun and exciting every day. Thank you for your support and encouragement. You mean the world to me. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Stay safe always. Love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for taking care of us, and I hope God will bless you more. And also thank you for guiding us. We love you, Ma'am Alexis.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Ikaw ay isang inspirasyon at magaling na guro. Happy Teacher's Day po. God bless you.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Alexis. You made learning fun, making us love and respect you even more. Thanks for all your extraordinary effort and support. We will always cherish your words. We love you, Ma'am Alexis.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Thank you for everything you do to help us learn and grow. We are truly blessed to have you as our teacher. I always thank the Lord for blessing me with a chance to be a part of your class. I love you, Ma'am Alexis.
Isa po kayo sa mga humubog sa aking mga talento. Isa po kayo sa mga dahilan kung paano ko aabutin ang aking pangarap. Dahil sa inyong dedikasyon, alam ko po na mas magiging maganda ang aking kinabukasan. Buong puso po ako nagpupugay sa inyo. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Alexis. Maraming salamat po sa matyagang pagtuturo at paggabay sa aming lahat. We love you!
Hi po, Ma'am. Thank you so much po for your tireless dedication in teaching all of us. Through your loving strictness, we are able to learn and grow. You are always fair to everyone, and that is why you are one of the best teachers here at Agles. May the Lord continue to bless you and keep you healthy every day. We all love you so much. Happy Teacher's Day. Mwah.